We went from fairly nice weather to burr. So, it's time to work on inside things. So, what are we doing here? We are figuring out some fresh greens for all year round. These are green onions, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut off down to about here. And when we get down to there, we're going to take these and we're going to plant them. And then we're going to keep them watered. And by doing that, we will have fresh greens all year round to put in things like eggs or salad or whatever. But they will be getting to grow in our home all year round. This is something you can do in your home. We have grow lights, but all you need is a south-facing window and maybe a pot with some soil. It's really easy, really simple, and it will give you some fresh greens all year round. So for a moment, let's talk about why we're doing this. I want to do everything in my power to make sure that my family can make it through the winter. And so this is one of the things that I can do to have fresh greens, you know, a kind of a fresh food staple all year round. I live in zone 5B, I believe it is. Anyway, James Prigioni was telling me, like I was saying, he did a video on raised beds, and he was talking about how he could lengthen his year by putting hoop houses on there, or adding plastic to his existing raised beds. And I don't have raised beds as of right now, and I'm not planning on getting them this far into the year. So we're going to have to try to make do with what we have. Abigail, you're going to need to be quiet for Daddy. We're going to try to do what we, make do with what we have, and I know that there's other people out there that have to make do with what they have. So this is one of the things that you can do, is to plant these little onion bulbs, and when you plant them in some soil and just water them, about that much, you are going to be able to have fresh greens for all year round. That is one of the little hacks that you can do to get vitamins and get some nourishment to your family during these uncertain times of COVID and the pandemic, etc. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. And don't forget the TubeBuddy link in the description box below. I'll give you a few shots here of us planting, and we'll call it a day. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time. I got this. This has been sitting in my yard for a while. It's leaf mulch. It's been turning itself into good compost. So we're going to experiment and see how good we can do with this. Oh, by the way, this is like a really cheap way to get greens too. I believe these onions were like 59 cents for a bunch, which was a pretty good deal.